Top 5 apps like Ocean Credit Card Review that actually work today. Ocean Credit Card offers rewards and credit benefits, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's the only option. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide verified credit card comparisons, rewards tracking, and secure management. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Credit Sesame offers credit card recommendations and credit score tracking. Users appreciate verified insights and personalized advice. Second, NerdWallet provides credit card comparisons with verified user reviews. Customers highlight accurate recommendations and easy navigation. Third, WalletUp combines rewards tracking and credit monitoring. Users love verified credit insights and alerts. Fourth, Mint provides spending tracking and card management. App users report real-time monitoring and helpful budgeting tools. Finally, CordPointers tracks card rewards and promotions. Users value verified points optimization and reward reminders. Pro tip: always compare verified features and rewards before applying for a card. This ensures maximum benefits and secure financial management. These 5 apps help you select the best credit cards, track rewards, and manage credit safely.